Hi children, this is T. Mahalakshmi from Trinity Academy Metric High Secondary School. As this is very competitive world, it is necessary to update ourselves to face the challenges in the near future. We must acquire more knowledge in all sorts of fields. For this, we should educate ourselves from the early stage of our life. Today, what I am going to do is to make all of you thorough in some of the interesting topic. That is, first one is abbreviation and acronyms, animal similes, useful plants, amazing animal facts, and book as films. First, we can see abbreviation and acronyms. Match each abbreviation or acronym with its full form. So first they have given here, full form is nothing, the first letter will be here. So HTTP. HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. See here, first letter H. Next T, text T. Then transfer T and P for protocol. Second one is NASA, NASA, NASA. The full form for NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Third one is GIF. GIF means Graphic Interchange Format. Again see here, GIF means Graphic Interchange Format. The fourth one is SIM, SIM. You know this name, SIM. SIM means Subscriber Identity Module. What is that? SIM means Subscriber Identity Module. Fifth one, FBI. Fifth one is FBI. FBI means Federal Bureau of Investigation. Again see here, FBI means Federal Bureau of Investigation. Sixth one is CID. CID. CID means Criminal Investigation Department. CID means Criminal Investigation Department. DOB. DOB. The full form for DOB is Date of Birth. The full form of DOB is Date of birth. Last one, OTP. 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 The full form for OTP is one time password. The full form for OTP is one time password. Next, lesson 2, that is animal similes. Use the words in the help box to complete these similes. Write the correct animal name in each blank. The first one is done here. We can see here. As free as birds. As free as bird. Second one, as gentle as lamb. As gentle as lamb. Third one, as strong as an ox. As strong as an ox. Fourth one, as cunning as a fox. As cunning as a fox. As dead as a doo-doo. As dead as a doo-doo. Sixth one, as brave as a lion. Sixth one, as brave as a lion. Seventh one, as slow as a snail. As slow as a snail. Eighth one, as slippery as an eel. As slippery as an eel. Ninth one, as playful as a kitten. As playful as a kitten. Tenth one, as quiet as a mouse. As quiet as a mouse. 11th one, as happy as a lark. As happy as a lark. 12th one, as stubborn as a mule. As stubborn as a mule. Next, third lesson, useful plants. Read the description and unscramble the letters to name each plant. The first one here they have given. See here, they have given the clue in a picture. See here, it is used to make a fabrics. It is used to make fabrics. That is, see here, unscramble letter T-O-C-O-T-N. T-O-C-O-T-N. The correct answer is C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. Next, second one, its bark and leaves can be used to make toothpaste. Barks means bark என்ன மரப்பட்டைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல அது. Leaves means you know. Its bark and leaves can be used to make toothpaste. What is that one? M-E-N-E. M-E-N-E means neem. N-E-E-M, neem. N-E-E-M, neem. Third one, the gel inside this plant has many medicinal and cosmetic uses. This one is used for medicinal purpose. So the gel inside this plant has many medicinal and cosmetic uses. That is O-A-E-L-R-V-A-E. The correct answer is aloe vera. A-L-O-E. A-L-O-E vera. V-E-R-A. Aloe vera. The fourth one, it is used as garnishing in food. It is used as garnishing in food. Garnishing means after finishing the ஃபுட்டை ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் மேலே அப்படியே அலங்காரம் பண்ணுற டெக்கரேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. வாட் இஸ் தட் ஒன்? யூ நோ, யூ கேன் see this picture. N-R-E-D-A-C-I-O-R. That is coriander. C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R. Coriander. Again here C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R. Coriander. Fifth one, it is used to make eraser, bands and tires. It is used to make erasers, bands and tires. See here, this is, what is this? This is rubber. B-R-U-E-R-B. R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber. R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber. Sixth one, a herb used to garnish food and as medicine for a stomach ache. So this is also used for garnishing. Already I told you about coriander. So a herb used to garnish food, and as this one is also used for medicine purpose, for stomach ache. What is that one? I-N-T-M. That is mint. M-I-N-T, mint. M-I-N-T, mint. Next, seventh one, this herb has a lemony smell. So this is a herb and it smells lemon smell. So this herb is a lemony smell and is used as flavoring in tea. It is used to flavor the tea and in Asian food. Its smell also repels mosquitoes. Repels means to it drive out the mosquitoes. So that is lemongrass. So here they have given unscrambled letter R-S-A-G-S-M-I-L-N-O. So lemongrass. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Grass, G-R-A-S-S, grass. Lemongrass. Next, eighth one. These leaves are used as seasoning and add flavor to Indian food. Seasoning na தாளிக்கிறதுன்னு சொல்றது தமிழ்ல. So these leaves are used as seasoning and add flavor to Indian food. You can see the picture. That is, see the unscrambled letter R-Y-R-U-C. R-Y-R-U-C-E-S-V-L-A-E. So the correct answer is curry leaves. C-U-R-R-Y, curry leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Curry leaves. C-U-R-R-Y-L-E-A-V-E-S, curry leaves. Next, fourth lesson, amazing animal facts. That is animal facts, some different thing. Fill in the blanks with the correct animal name from the help box. First one, the giraffe has only 7 bones in its long neck. See here, the giraffe has only 7 bones in its long neck. Second one, every tiger has its own unique set of strips. Every tiger has its own unique set of strips. Third one, the hummingbird can fly backwards. See here, the hummingbirds can fly backwards. The chameleon changes its skin color according to its mood. The chameleon changes its skin color according to its mood. When it is very sad, it changes some different color, and when it is happy, it changes its colors. Okay. Fifth one, an elephant spends about 12 to 18 hours a day eating. An elephant spends about 12 to 18 hours a day eating. Sixth one, the kangaroo has a pouch. Pouch means it is like a pocket. The kangaroo has a pouch in which it carries its young one. The kangaroo has a pouch in which it carries its young one. Seventh one, the bat is the only mammal that can fly. The bat is the only mammal that can fly. Eighth one, an alligator can survive for 2 to 3 years without food. An alligator can live without food for 2 to 3 years. Ninth one, a snail can sleep for 3 years. You know what is mean by snail? A snail can sleep for 3 years. Tenth one, the horn of rhinoceros is made almost entirely of the same substance as hair. The horn of a rhinoceros is made almost entirely of the same substance as hair. 11th one, the nose prints of a dog. The nose prints of a dog are as unique as the fingerprints of a human. Unique means different. Different, something different. The nose prints of a dog are as unique as the fingerprints of a human. 12th one, a butterfly tastes is with its feet. A butterfly tastes with its feet. Next, lesson 5, books as films. So, what is this books? These books are changed as they have taken the films. So, which book is the film based on? You can tick that answer. See here, this film is based on a book about a boy wizard by J.K. Rowling. So, a boy, you can see here, you know this one very well, isn't it? Boy wizard, that is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. This is the book name, and you know the film Harry Potter film, isn't it? Yes, this book is based on this film is based on a book about a boy wizard by J.K. Rowling, that is Harry Potter and Philosopher's Stone. Next one, this film is based on the book by Lewis Carroll about a girl, or girl பத்தி இருக்கு, who falls down a rabbit hole குள்ளார போய் மாட்டிப்பா, and into a world of fantasy. அங்க போனா ஒரு தனி உலகம் இருக்கும். That is what that one. இது ஒரு book, இது ஒரு film, Alice Wonderland அப்படின்னு. Okay, so this film is based on a book, on the book by Lewis Carroll about a girl who falls down a rabbit hole and into a world of fantasy. That book name is Alice in Wonderland. That book name is Alice in Wonderland. Next, third one, the film is based on the book by Cressida Cowell about a boy and his friends. This film is based on the book by Cressida Cowell about a boy and his friend. That is How to Train Your Dragon. Or which one is the correct answer? How to Train Your Dragon. Next, fourth one, written by Dries van Allsburg. This book is written by Allsburg. Now also a film is about a magical board game. I think you know this film. It is a magical board game. When you touch that one, you will go to a separate world. This is a magical board game in which everyone move. One makes bring something on a board to life. That is Jumanji. Jumanji film. When you touch the board, you will go to the new world. That film is Jumanji. Next, fifth one. This film is based on a book about a boy. This film is a book about a boy who grows up in a jungle. This one you know. We all went to see this one also. So, this film is based on a book about a boy who grows up in a jungle. It is written by Rudyard Kipling. That is The Jungle Book. Which one? This film's name is Jungle Book. This film is based on a book about the life of four sisters. This story is about the four sisters and it is written by Louisa May Alcott. The film is Little Women. The film name is Little Women. Next, seventh one, written by J.M. Barrie. This book has been made into a film and is about a boy who could fly and who never grew up. He can fly, but he never grew up. That is Peter Pan. I think you know this one. Peter Pan. Eighth one, written by Roald Dahl. This book has been made into a film and is about a 4-year-old girl with special power. So 4-year-old girl with a special powers. Matilda, that is Matilda. Children, you can see all these films. Okay? When you are free, you can see all these films. Okay?